Alright, points and poles. Finally able to get back out in the creek after all this snow and ice. Supposed to get up to like 60s a day. Let's see, I walked up on a tool here. Kind of lost it. Where was I? Oh, there it is. I don't know what it is yet. It looks like a hoe. That's what I'm gonna say that was. Oh. Yeah, the sun's messing my focus up, sorry. And I'm not sure. This could be something too. Looks like they had an edge worked in on it. Focus. Thank you. Bullnose adze, maybe. Camera's having problems here. But anyway, I'll leave that. I'll take that though. Yep. Finally able to get back out here. Water's freezing. Freezing. Alright, I guess I'll let you guys know if I come back up on some more. I've only been here about, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Be here for a while, so let you know if I come back up on anything else. Alright, I think I just found a little hand blade. It's kind of crude. A little spot for your finger right there, curve down here, and that's a little blade, the edge they worked on. Alright, let you know if I've come up on anything else. Hopefully I get back with you. Alright, I think I just walked up on looks like another little spade or something of some type. Some type of another little hoe or something. Let you know if I come back up on anything else. Alright, I got a couple pieces, maybe. I know I got one for sure. Looks to be broke. And that may be a tool too. We're gonna check it out. But first, I got this. Ooh, almost dropped the phone. There's something at some time. Little ads probably. Let's see if this is anything. It just looks like a flake core or something that they were hitting on. take that though. That Burlington shirt. I love that stuff. Let you know if I get back up on anything else. Oh, looks like I have another little scraper here or something. A little blade. It's kind of broke down there, but I don't know. Preform maybe. Alright, well, let you guys know if I come up on anything else. I got something else here. I don't know if it's broke or just a weird tool. Oh, I might have something there too. Let's see. Some kind of weird tool. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. Never seen nothing like that. It's worked all on that edge. Comes to a tip. I don't know if that's some kind of little claw. Something broke. Some little claw scraper thing. I don't know. Where'd that go? There's the right kind of material. Oh. Huh. It's a flake on that side, basically. Let you know if I come up on anything else. And I think I found a little baby adze that came up out of this little feeder creek. Oh, I thought I just found a point. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Pretty cool little baby adze or something. Oh, looks like it was made off a flake. Little flake knife of some type. Fit the profile of a little adze. I'll take it. Let you guys know if I come up on anything else. I just found this. Some weird tool. It's got an edge worked in all the way around that edge. It's all big and weird. I don't know, some kind of something. Anyway, I'm gonna walk down to this bigger creek. This creek connects into a big creek. I'm gonna take that big creek up to another creek that I've never walked in before, so hopefully we'll get to some points here soon. Take a little walk to the water. Let you know if I come back up on anything else. I think I just found a little scraper here. Made out of a flake, little flake scraper. Let you guys know if I come back on anything else. Alright, I already flipped this, but that's where it was laying. Nice little flake scraper. Almost to that big creek. And then I'll be walking a couple miles. I'll be up in another creek. So I'll let you know if I find anything else. Alright, I'm in the big creek. I was looking up there at that little overhang. I think I got something here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That's nice. Another little hoe or tomahawk blade or something. I don't know, but it's nice. In that big creek now. Got a little while before I get up to that feeder. I want to walk. I've never been in it. I've never been up this far in this creek either. I may walk up there on my way back. Check out that overhang. Nice. I'll take that. Let you know if I get back up on anything else. Alright, I think I just found another little adze. Maybe a blade. Another adze. Chopper. I'll take it. Some type of little chopper. I'll let you know if I come back upon anything else. Okay, just got into the feeder creek here. I think I just found a little scraper deal. A little crude scraper. Good sign. So, I'll let you guys know if I find anything in this creek. Nice day, 60 degrees. Hopefully I can find some stuff in this creek. I'll be happy. Let you know if I get back up on anything. Alright, I believe I just found my first piece in this feeder creek. I believe it's an adze. Yep, another little adze. Alright. Let you know if I find anything else. Alright, and right down from that adze, I think I just found another one. Yep. Got that bit end. A little camera's not wanting to pick it up. There we go. Nice. Could have been a little hand blade or something, but it's got some twist to it. Let you know if I find anything else. Alright, I got my first point of the day. It's all there too. Nice. Can't really tell what this one is yet off the top of my head. I don't know, I have to look in the book. Got my first point though, I'm happy about that. I was actually just walking back to the main creek. I may walk back up this a little farther now, but I'll take it. Let you know if I come back up on anything else. Alright, on the way back to the car, I think I found something here. There was something. Huh. Just another, some kind of adze or hoe, another hoe. Blade. Interesting. I'll take it. Let you know if I find anything else on my way back up. Alright, I just found a scraper here, it looks like. Let you know if I find anything else.